did I go from this to this to this? Here's a tutorial. The very first thing that I do in a drawing process is to find inspiration, and I use Pinterest. So here on the right are two of my references. So I just start sketching out the character that I want to draw, and then from that I brainstorm a background idea. Now that I am done designing the character, I start to design the environment, and I use Procreate's feature of drawing guide to help assist me with perspective. And then I realized that that is way too small for the environment and for the character. So I make the canvas bigger and add the character in and start coloring and shading and all of that for the background. I am done with the background. The next thing I do is go on Motion Leap, and from there I use the animate feature and select the area that I want to animate and use the direction tool in order to create the movement of water. From there I go to 3D Motion, SO1, and then I basically create the movement of the ship moving in order to simulate moving on a ship. So yeah, that's basically how I created this effect and how I come up with the background idea and the character idea. So I hope you guys stay tuned for the next video next Sunday.